Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Find X2 Pro and I'm going to show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone. I put on display tempered glass, so we can spot it right here because it's flat version of the tempered glass, and it will be also a good test how sensitive is this sensor. So I'm going to lock the device and I link this fingerprint. Let's try. Right now it goes very smoothly. You can also spot here very cool animation. It works reliable and it's so smooth. I honestly didn't use that smooth fingerprint sensor in the display ever. I mean, I use faster sensors like on OnePlus 9 Pro, but this one is so smooth. It's nice feeling. I mean, here we get the cool animation, a nice vibration, and it unlocks really nice the phone. So as you can see, it's very good sensor, and for sure I can recommend you to use this kind of the unlock method on the Find X2 Pro. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.